Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make 2 into 2 picture in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to make 2 into 2 picture. Go to the Insert menu, then select the picture option. Then choose a picture from our file and insert it. Now we can see we insert a picture, but this picture size is not 2 into 2. Now we want to make this picture size 2 into 2. Go to the picture format menu, click the size format, then open a window, then check mark of the lock aspect ratio, then select the height 2 and width 2, then click OK. Then we can see here the height and width 2 into 2 very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.